With school rapidly coming up, you are going to need to be prepared. That's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some amazing school DIYs. Number 1, notebook decor. For this one, you're going to need your favorite notebook that you're going to be using, as well as the Pringles can topper and some beads that you have left over laying around your house. All you need to do is get the top of the Pringles can and place it around your beads on your notebook to make sure they fit. Then, hot glue the top of the Pringles can to the notebook with the beads underneath. This way, you'll have the perfect notebook that also doubles as a fidget toy. Number 2, DIY pencil case. This one is super easy, especially if you want a pencil case that looks different than all the rest. All you need to do is get a 21 by 22 centimeter piece of foam. Fold it in half while hot gluing the long side. Once you're done that, and the hot glue is all dry, flip it inside out like so into a rectangular shape once again. Then, once you're done that, get a zipper and cut it to size, and hot glue each side of it to the inside of the pencil case. Once you're done, you can decorate it however you'd like. For us, we put a little cat and said I'm cute. But like we said, we can decorate it however you'd like. Number 3, pencil decor. This one is super cute. Get your favorite pencils and first hot glue a small gem that you can get from your craft or dollar store and hot glue it to the top of the eraser. Then get some felt and using a circle protractor, make sure to trace a circle with some pencil and cut it out. Once you have a circle shape, cut in semicircle motions as you spiral towards the middle. Then once you have your spiral, hot glue it to the top of the pencil and continue hot gluing as you wrap it around. You'll have a perfect rose. Once you're done that, if you want to add some leaves, get some green felt and cut small triangles like so and place them with some hot glue on the sides of the roses. Number 4, watermelon mini notebook. You're first going to get some cardstock as well as a circle creator protractor and trace a circle onto it. Then cut out the circle and create 4 equal parts on the circle and cut that out as well. Once you're done that, place all of the triangle shapes together and use some glue to place it on these straight edges. Once you're done that, get any piece of rectangle scrap paper and glue them onto the sides to tie them off. Grabbing some pink and green paper, glue this on the top of the stack as well, and using a black permanent marker, create some seeds, a smile, and 2 eyes. Now you have a perfect watermelon notebook. Number 5, dolling up your clear pencil case. If you have a clear pencil case or any clear container that you're going to be using for your pencils and you want to add some bling, get some pieces of paper with your favorite items printed out on them. Then getting some tape, place it onto the back side of each of these pictures. Then cut a small border with the tape around it and place it on the inside of your clear pencil case. That way, it'll look absolutely amazing. Anyways guys, we hope you enjoyed our school DIYs. If you want some more hacks, crafts, and DIYs for the upcoming school year, let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!